In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer looking to streamline your invoicing process, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to efficiently create and manage your sales invoices. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section of Zoho Books. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the Sales module. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Invoices. This is where you'll create and manage all your invoice documents. Next, we're going to start a new invoice. Look at the top right corner of the page, and you'll see a Plus New button. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the creation of a new invoice. This opens up a form where you'll input all the necessary details about your sales transaction. Now, let's add the customer and some basic details. Start with the customer name. You can choose a customer from your existing list, or if it's a new client, simply add their details to create a new customer profile. For the invoice date, it will automatically select the current date, but you have the flexibility to change it if necessary. As for the invoice number, Zoho Books will generate this automatically, but you're free to enter a custom number if you have a specific format you prefer. Also, don't forget to set the payment terms and due date. You can choose from standard terms or set a custom due date based on your agreements with the customer. Moving on to item details, this is where you specify what products or services you're billing for. In the item table, select the appropriate service or product from your inventory. You'll need to enter the quantity of items sold and adjust the rate if necessary. This is important to ensure that your charges are correct. Zoho Books will then auto-calculate the taxes based on the settings associated with the customer and item, making sure your tax obligations are accurately reflected. Consider including additional charges and notes if applicable. For instance, if there are any shipping charges or other adjustments, you'll want to add those here to ensure everything is accounted for in the final bill. You can also add custom customer notes and outline your terms and conditions. This can be particularly useful for providing specific instructions or essential information related to the invoice. Once you're satisfied with all the details, it's time to save and send your invoice. If you'd like to review it later, click on Save as Draft. For those ready to send, select Save and Send to immediately deliver the invoice via email to your customer. Additional options include Save and Share, which allows you to send a link to the invoice, or Save and Send Later, which is handy for scheduling when you'd like the invoice to be sent. And that's it. You've successfully created a sales invoice in Zoho Books. Remember, accurate and timely invoicing is key to maintaining healthy cash flow in your business. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing with Zoho Books.